Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to get a refund of Badoo. This is an easy process to do. You can do that in the help center of the app. You need to go here in the application of Badoo, and after that the second step is go to the down right corner in the option of your profile, and here in your profile after that you need to go to the superior right corner in the option of settings, and here in settings you need to go to the option of help center, and in help center you need to go to Badoo Premium. So here in Badoo Premium you need to go and this option where said what if I have any payment issues. So after that you need to pick here and send us a message, and the only thing you need to do to complete the process is explain what is your problem with the payment, and you need to say them you want to get a refund for your payment. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.